Choose an affirmation for your particular need. Before starting to affirm, always free the mind from worries and restlessness. Sit with spine erect. Repeat all of the affirmation, first loudly, then softly and more slowly, until your voice becomes a whisper. Then, gradually affirm it mentally only, without moving the tongue or the lips, until you feel that you have attained deep, unbroken concentration, not unconsciousness, but a profound continuity of uninterrupted thought. If you continue with your mental affirmation, and go still deeper, you will feel a sense of increasing joy and peace. For better results, during will affirmations, your attention should be centered in the spot between the eyebrows. During thought affirmations, in the medulla oblongata. And, during devotional affirmations, in the heart. When healing others, select an affirmation that is suitable to the imaginative, emotional, or thoughtful temperament of your patient. In all affirmations, intensity of attention comes first, but continuity and repetition mean a great deal, too. For maximum effectiveness, one should use affirmations immediately after waking in the morning, or during the period of somnolence preceding sleep at night. All affirmations, in order to reach the superconsciousness, must be free from uncertainties and doubts. Attention and faith are lights that lead even imperfectly understood affirmations to the subconscious and superconscious minds.